नमस्कार दोस्तों, जब हम महिला सशक्तिकरण की बात करते हैं तो हमारे सामने बहुत बड़े बड़े से नाम आते हैं। जी हां, ये महिला सशक्तिकरण का दौर है और इसमें हमारे साथ आज एक ऐसी शख्सियत जुड़ी है जो कि मुंबई के घाटकोपर में रहती हैं और साथ ही एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल भी हैं। और ये आपको जान करके बहुत हैरानी होगी कि आईटी प्रोफेशनल होने के साथ साथ ये सोसाइटी के लिए भी इतना एक बेहतरीन काम कर रही हैं जो कि खास करके इस कोविड के दौर में बहुत ही कारगर साबित हुआ है। ऐसे में हम आपको मिलाने जा रहे हैं छाया जे गंगर से, जो कि प्रोफेशनल हीलिंग थेरेपीज को लेकर के एक बखूबी से अपना काम कर रही हैं। और ऐसे में क्या क्या उन्होंने काम किए हैं और क्यों उन्होंने ये थेरेपीज को शुरू किया इतने बड़े प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे, तो आइए हम आपको मिलाते हैं छाया जे गंगर से। नमस्कार छाया जी, वेलकम टू पॉलिटिकल दावपेच। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है पॉलिटिकल दावपेच में। और सबसे पहला मेरा सवाल कि ये आप एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल हैं, उसके साथ ये जो थेरेपीज का, हीलिंग थेरेपीज का जो कंसेप्ट आप प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे लेके गई हैं, क्या था इसके पीछे का मोटिवेशन?
ओके, नमस्ते गौरव जी, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्पीक टू योर चैनल। जैसे आपने पूछा कि आईटी प्रोफेशनल में हूँ, यस, आई एम वर्किंग विथ वन ऑफ द आईटी कंपनी। बट बचपन से मेरा एक पैशन रहा है कि एज वी आर ऑल टाइड वन, लाइक वी आर ऑल वन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वांटम फिजिक्स, सो आई ऑलवेज फील कि we should serve back to the society because as per the law of gratitude, whatever we give, it comes in multiple time back to us. So I always believe in that, and for that I like to serve the society. And for that I have chosen, as healing is my passion, and I was always wonder since childhood what is meant by the subconscious mind, how mind plays role in our life. So since childhood I have this passion, and gradually now I have developed this into my, you can say, one of the alternative source.
सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि ऑब्वियसली आपका पैशन है, आपकी हॉबी रही है, और स्पेशली हम जब देखते हैं कि महिला सशक्तिकरण का दौर है, होना भी चाहिए, महिला दिस इज इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी टाइम। सो मैं उस सब चीज़ों को देखते हुए आपने एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल हैं, आप अपने कार्य में बिजी रहती हैं, उसके साथ आपको क्या ऐसा लगा कि मतलब वो वक्त ऐसा क्या था कि मैं अब जो है इस हीलिंग थेरेपी से लोगों के दिलों में एक, और लोगों के दिलों में एक खुशहाली का माहौल दूंगी। ऑब्वियसली हम जानते हैं कोरोना का भी स्ट्रेस आया है, जो कि एक पेंडेमिक है रहा है, तो ऐसी थेरेपीज बहुत जगह चल रही हैं। तो क्या ऐसा यूनिक पार्ट था आपके अंदर जो कि इन थेरेपी, ऑफ कोर्स आप पहले से कर रही हैं इसको, पर आप इसमें ज्यादा आपने इसमें अपना समय भी दिया बिकॉज वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी चल रहा था, तो आपने अपने वर्क को छोड़ करके या उसमें अपना पूरा समय दे करके इसके लिए भी समय निकाला, तो वो कैसा एक यूनिक था आपके अंदर जो कि आपने लोगों के अंदर इस तरीके से जागरूक किया?
Okay, so I always believe if there is a will, there is a way. So I do have the work from home policy. So I also tied up in my office works, but I have the genuine interest for the people, so that people should come up easily from whatever trauma they are going through, because I have seen many people who have seen traumas in their life. That can be the death of the near and dear one, it can be the long lasting health problems, it can be anything. Health is one aspect, but it is interrelated to all other aspects of our life. Like it can be at emotional level, it can be at mental level, it can be at relationship level, any level. When we say life, it is nothing but the combination of, you can say life is a one wheel but it has different spokes, right? So like during corona time I have seen people are very much fearful. They don't have like they don't want to come out of those fear. And I generally remember one story which I have heard or read in the WhatsApp story, that fear is nothing but the false evidences appear real. That is nothing but this is just the false evidences, and we live in the situation कि वो fear को हम लोग सच में हकीकत एक story बनाते हैं, and we create that story in our mind and we live in that story, which is not right. Because I have seen one person and जिनको 2 दिन का ही बेबी हुआ था, and उनको ऑफिस जाना रेज्यूम होना था क्योंकि अनलॉक हो चुका था, but he has tremendous fear कि if I step out of home, what will happen to my baby, how the care will be taken care of my family. So he was very reluctant to step out from home and was to travel by the public transport. But whatever therapies I have done with him, and then regular follow-up with him, like whether he is doing that thing or not, if he is not doing, what is the problem he is facing, why he is not doing that, then again telling him ki he needs to do that, it will definitely help him in the long run. And it happens, he started going to the work, and now he has overcome that fear. So I always feel that I believe corona is there, that is the fact, we cannot deny that, but we need to accept that fact, and whatever the emotions we have related to that, we need to overcome that. So this therapy helps along with all other therapies whatever we have in the society.
तो मैं आपसे अब थेरेपीज की बात हो रही है तो थेरेपीज पे आना पड़ेगा। तो किस किस टाइप की थेरेपीज आप देती हैं, और ये भी हमारे जो दर्शक भी हैं वो भी ये जानना चाहेंगे कि वो थेरेपीज में ऑब्वियसली एक इंसान जब थेरेपी देता है, एक जब डॉक्टर होता है तो वो एक क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर होता है, और जैसे आप भी एक क्वालिफाइड जो है वो थेरेपिस्ट हैं, तो किस किस टाइप की आपने थेरेपीज सीखी हैं प्रोफेशनली, और क्या उनका प्रॉपर सर्टिफिकेशन आपके पास है?
Yes, I have learned different healing modalities, जैसे
क्या है?
जैसे न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग, जिसमें हम लोग बोलते हैं अंतर्मन जो अपना होता है उसे प्रोग्राम कैसे करें, कंप्यूटर के लैंग्वेज में हम लोग बोलते हैं राइट प्रोग्रामिंग, तो इट्स प्रोग्रामिंग ऑफ योर माइंड. देन साउंड हीलिंग, प्राणिक हीलिंग, then EFT, different kind of hand mudras. So I have learned all these healing modalities, and I have learned, and I am a certified professional, I have learned all these healing modalities from a renowned trainer in the India.
Okay. So how long have been, obviously कोविड के टाइम पे तो आपका जो है एक तरीके से डॉक्टर्स के लेवल का ही रोल हो गया है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली जैसा कि आपसे भी डिस्कशन में हो रहा था कि मेडिसिन के साथ साथ थेरेपीज भी उतनी ही जरूरी है, बिकॉज ये रिलैक्स करती है माइंड को, और मेडिसिन ज्यादा बेहतर असर कर सकती है. तो ऐसे में जो इस आप कितने टाइम से इसको कोविड से पहले से कर रही थी?
Okay, so since last 3 years I have learned, more than 3 years I have learned all these healing modalities, and if you say I also impart the training on life skills, जैसे time management, stress management, positive attitude. So since last 3 years I have been imparting training, like I have imparted training to the village development officers, school teachers, education development officers, and I have also started giving these therapies more than 7 months, you can say.
So, मतलब कह सकते हैं कि आपके जो और भी प्रोसीजर्स हैं आप जाते हैं तो पिछले 1 साल से आप इन्वॉल्व हैं.
Yes.
ये हम कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि काफी चीजें और भी इन्वॉल्व जैसे आप बता रही थी. तो अब मेरे सबसे पहले पूछना चाहूंगा, कितने लोग ऐसे रहे आपके, ऑब्वियसली जैसे आप बता रही है कि काफी एजुकेशन ऑफिसर्स और ये सब, तो कितनी जो है आपने इवन कितनी क्वांटिटी में या फिर कितने नंबर ऑफ पीपल, रादर आई वुड से नंबर ऑफ पीपल you have healed, or you have given certain sort of platforms to them so that they can recover, or maybe in their day-to-day lives.
So, like, to answer your question, I have trained more than 200 participants, more than 250 on these life skills. But apart from that, I have healed many people, you can say around 20 to 30, but out of that, 20 people have got the good results. So, I would like to quote that number, since like I have started, the 20 people have got good benefits.
So out of we can say, like, because so आपको क्या लगता है कि मतलब obviously जैसे out of 40 people, like of course we are saying you have been regular training with you, and 20 people have been straight away, so it is a 50% ratio, and it is a good, and sometimes it is a good ratio, what I could say, and sometimes, and what is the reason, like कि वो जो 20 जो balance people थे, क्या वो regular नहीं थे, क्या उनके अपने personal वो थे, क्या मतलब regular नहीं थे आपके पास, या उनकी कोई पर्सनल ऐसी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट आ गई थी कि वो आपके पास नहीं आ पाए, क्या रीजन था उन 20 पीपल्स का?
See, to undergo or take any therapy, whether it is allopathy, homeopathy, ayurvedic, or any alternative healing therapy, first of all that person should be receptive to any kind of therapy. So we make ensure that person is quite receptive, he is willing to take those therapies. तो जितने भी लोग आए हैं उन लोग से हम लोग फॉलो अप करते हैं, we make sure they follow whatever protocols we have told them to continue. Apart from that, some people got busy because, as you are aware, there is a work from home policy, and many people got stuck in their daily routine, so they are not able to spend the time. Even though we asked them, they said we are not getting time. So we try to ensure that even though they are not getting time, how they can use some breathing exercise or maybe some meditation where they can get the more relaxed. And
So आपका मीन टू से दैट आर थेरेपीज आर रियली इफेक्टिव, जो कि बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टिव हैं. हमें पर्सनल लेवल पे भी उन लोगों ने अपने केसेस से रूबरू कराया है. मैं दर्शकों को ये भी बताना चाहूंगा. बट वो जो समय का अभाव है, जो कोरोना को लेके समय का अभाव है, वो भी एक रीजन रहा है. वन ऑफ द रीजन जो कि वो जो आपका 20% का रेशो है, जैसे आप बताना चाह रही. बट 50% रेशो इज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू कि आपने उसमें आप सक्षम हुई हैं सोसाइटी को कुछ देने के लिए, एंड स्पेशली बीइंग अ वुमन विद इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सो अब मेरा अब अगला सवाल है कि थेरेपीज की सारे कंसेप्ट्स की हो गई, तो क्या यूनिक बात है आपकी थेरेपीज में या आपके अंदर, जो कि ऑब्वियसली थेरेपिस्ट तो आजकल प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे हो गए हैं, बिजनेस लेवल पे हो गए हैं. क्या यूनिक बात है आपकी थेरेपिस्ट में कि मैं छाया जे गंगर के पास थेरेपी के लिए क्यों आऊं? क्योंकि दर्शक और जो इस थेरेपीज को लेना भी चाहेंगे, घर बैठे आपको कांटेक्ट भी करना चाहेंगे, वो जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या यूनिक बात है.
ठीक है, तो I would like to say human beings are gifted with many things which other animals have not. So that is the human touch, right? So I always ensure whatever therapies or whatever people come to me for their whatever problems they are facing or whatever issues they want to handle. So we make sure and we follow up with them regularly. So you can say human touch is the most important aspect in any kind of therapy, whether it can be anything. But that is the important point in my therapy, which I ensure that that person, because according to quantum physics law, we all are connected. So that person is definitely a pure soul, and if he is going through some problem, that means we can help them out. So human touch is an important point in my therapy. I ensure they are part of my family, and I always look to them from the empathetic and sympathetic point of view, how we can help them.
सो यू वांट टू से दैट ये एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण चीज है कि छाया जे गंगर ये बात कहना चाह रही है कि ये जो है एक बिजनेस नहीं है उनके लिए, एक सोशल कॉज है. एम आई राइट? तो किस तरीके से फिर ऑब्वियसली एक प्रश्न उठ जाता है, बिकॉज नाउ इट इज अ बिजनेस मॉड्यूल फॉर द पीपल. ऑफ कोर्स एवरीथिंग इनकर्स सम एक्सपेंसेस आर देयर, एंड सो आप किस तरीके से अपने लोगों तक ये मैसेज नहीं पहुंचने दे रही कि ये बिजनेस मॉड्यूल नहीं है, आपके पास क्यों आया जाए, और किस तरीके से फिर उन एक्सपेंसेस को किस तरीके से आप इनकर करती हैं, और किस टाइप के एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं?
ठीक है. So many people consider this kind of healing modalities as a business. I do consider it as a business, but I do not charge that much high fees or the professional fees. I charge people fees, but which is bearable. Like sometimes there is a cost of my traveling, sometimes cost of some instrument. So I travel according to whatever the nominal charges people need to pay, and also I consider the aspect whether like people is very poor and he is not in a position to pay us. So we verify like if that person is genuine, he really wants the help. The money comes later, because anyways we are giving back to the society, the money is going to give back to us. So that is the truth. But we always ensure that if that person is genuine and he wants the help and he is not in a position to pay us, so we always take that some check and we ensure that he will get all the treatment free of cost.
So that means you are trying to say that you ensure एक background check होता है अगर कोई poor people आता है और वाकई में if he is a needy, then a background check is there, and if he is genuine, then you provide that without expenses. That means those expenses are paid for that particular person from your pocket.
Yes.
So that means yes, it is for a social cause, and congratulations for that also, that you're thinking in such a positive way for the society. No doubt certain expenses are there, the people who can, they can afford that expenses, but with you the case is very different, that you are charging only the minimum expenses. Yes. As you're saying. My next question is, like, we have gone through your website. First of all, people would like to know that what is the name of your website?
Okay, name of my website is syncrowin.com.
It is syncrowin.com, which is a website of Chaya J. Gangar, and you can Google it. Please say it again for the viewers.
syncrowin.com.
syncrowin.com. You can Google it and find out the details about Chaya J. Gangar, where you will find in the people who have been healed by Chaya J. Gangar, you will find the reviews of that, and of course all the details of the therapies which she do for the people, for the society, to serve the society, which is her passion. And Chaya ji, that is very very appreciable. And from personal level and from the political Dao Page team, I would like to appreciate you on this. And now I bring to my other concept, which I've gone through your details and stuff. There is certain positive building up of what you call personality development things you are working on as well. So please tell us that what are those personality development concepts which you are doing, and just one line how you tackle with those. Like if somebody comes, he's got a low morale, maybe lacking in speaking communication skills or something, interacting with people. So how those skills are, first of all the name of those skills, then one liner that how do you deal with that.
Okay, so I have done, like, I'm a certified professional to conduct the training on life skills. So I have built my various modules in time management, goal setting, stress management, positive mental attitude, and then confidence building, motivation, all these things. So in this corona time, I'd like to highlight one thing. Being from the IT field, many of my IT colleagues are working from home, and as you are aware, due to corona, the maids are not allowed. So being a woman to handle all these things, like to manage the client meeting, to manage the calls, maybe the international customers might be there, so due to time mismatch, many things go haywire. So time management things really work for the people, because during doing some simple techniques or applying those techniques in day-to-day life, which is not going to take much time, it will help people to take out some time to spend with their family, which is really required, because this is the first time where whole family is in a home, they are spending time together, so where the bonding can become more stronger. So this time management or maybe positive mental attitude, because during corona time the positive attitude is very much required, as I quoted you one of the case of that person who was going through the fearful situation. So all these techniques, the trainings really help people, because we conduct the reflection kind of questionnaires with the people, and from that we come to know where the people need more awareness, where he need to focus most, and what are the gaps in that, and based on that we provide the consultation to him. And slowly and gradually, if he follows the routine or whatever the activities we have assigned to him in day-to-day life, they will be able to manage their work and home in much better way.
So that is also quite appreciable that you're doing these concepts in a right way. And first of all, we would like to give you best wishes for your everything what you are doing in life, and especially with these social causes. And my last question to wrap up the session. We have talked about expenses, we have talked about everything. Obviously there are many things. I will again bring that question has got a mixture of things. So businesses are there with the healing concepts, no doubt everybody is doing it. And of course you said you have got you have got a family touch and other things, unique self of the human touch, I would rather say, as you said yourself. So what is, like, if a person is there, if for a sake a woman is there or a male member is there who wants to approach you for the healing, why Chaya J. Gangar should be he picks up the phone, Chaya J. Gangar, I am dealing with this sort of problem, please, why a person will call you? Any such some things would you like to say from our medium to the viewers, that why Chaya J. Gangar?
Yes, I would like to mention that, like when I say, as earlier mentioned, healing does not mean that healing only at physical level. Healing consider all the aspects of human being, because as you are aware, we have the energy bodies, and we believe, some people believe in soul, some don't believe in soul, but there are some concepts. So we deal with the people at all levels, all levels of problem. We consider their emotional, mental aspects, and apart from that, as you are aware, I have done the life skill training also. So that is the added point in me, because though person is going through some problem, time management, I cannot heal him at the energy level, because I know that because of time management he is undergoing through the stress, so that will be taken care by the alternative healing therapies. But apart from that, where he needs to improve on his time management, so with that session or whatever the trainings I have undergone or whatever the session I conduct, so it will help him at the both level. You understand my point? So that is the way. And second more point, as I say, I always consider the person's problem as like empathetic point of view and the sympathetic point of view and the human touch.
तो ये थी हमारे साथ छाया जे गंगर, जो कि मुंबई के घाटकोपर से हैं। और साथ ही मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं कि छाया जे गंगर एक प्रोफेशनल थेरेपिस्ट हैं और एक प्रोफेशनल आईटी पर्सन है। और ये जो है एक बेहतरीन एग्जाम्पल है महिला सशक्तिकरण का। और अगर जो है किसी को भी इस टाइम पे स्ट्रेस से निजात चाहिए तो आई वुड रादर से छाया जे गंगर इज द बेस्ट person to contact with, as the empathy and the sympathy with less business motives is the perfect example of छाया जे गंगर। ये थी गौरव नरूला के साथ पॉलिटिकल दावपेच के लिए मुंबई से।